This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Spacious and stunning. Discover your dream home. This beautifully updated gym boasts an open floor plan and soaring ceilings. The heart of the home is the expansive great room, featuring gorgeous wood floors, a cozy fireplace, and a tray ceiling that creates a sense of grandeur. The gourmet kitchen, a cook's dream, features abundant cabinetry, granite countertops, and a convenient breakfast bar. Formal dining and a formal living room or office, providing versatile options for your lifestyle. The luxurious master suite is a true retreat, complete with a walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom featuring double sinks, a jacuzzi tub, and a separate shower. 3 additional spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms offer ample space for family or guests. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered back patio and relax in the fenced backyard with 2 sheds for plenty of storage. The attached 2-car garage provides ample parking and storage. Don't miss this opportunity to own a truly exceptional home. Call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652.